Hey guys, welcome to this video. Do you guys hear that? Might catch a tornado. Come on. Here we go. Fixed it. Alright, so this is a thunderstorm that's like, there was a previous video that I will upload after I upload this one, which will probably be between sometime midnight, my time, and early morning tomorrow, the 22nd. Oh, reminder. Oh, fuck. Oh, and a reminder. This is, like, just over a week before I go to camp. I think you can hear in my voice, but I'm fucking scared. Like, holy lifting. I mean, I know how to survive a tornado. I just don't know if there will be a tornado here today. I mean, it's night. The other one, I didn't catch any thunder, sadly. Oh, it's like piss pouring raining, you can see. Probably. Oh, fuck. I hope I got that flash lightning on camera. It's starting to come down. It's coming down. Oh, fuck, another... Holy fuck! Oh fuck! I feel bad for whoever's coming here. We might get a tornado warning. We might get a tornado warning. As it is fucking coming. Camera on focus. Whoa! Holy fuck! Is he coming all over from over there? Oh fuck, this phone's getting wet. Just isn't good enough. See the rain. Just falling. Holy fuck. Lightning. Oh my word. Don't mind if I swear. Just antics. Just antics. Holy fuck! Pool is overflowing. Holy shit! I don't feel like it's safe up here. I'm gonna continue recording for as long as I can. Or at least until 15 minutes is up. Because that's as long as a video I can post on YouTube. 15 minutes. But this is a really intense storm. Anything can happen between now and about 11 minutes from now. Holy fuck. I feel like it's getting closer. Oh fuck. I don't know how good that was caught on camera. Holy fuck, we're here, neighbors. My neighbor's dogs are like scared to like shit pouring out of their bums. But then my cat's out here as well. She's surely dead. Rest in peace. I love her. And if you're in Liverpool, Nova Scotia, you see a tabby cat. Call her in. And then phone number 902-354. Well, I'll put it in the description below. I'll put the phone number in the description below. Or you can contact me via email at d2844450@gmail.com. Or cookiemonstersponsor@gmail.com. And reminder, sponsor is spelled SPONSER. Not like it's spelled in real life. Like, holy fuck. Or you can contact me on Discord at either dproper69 or afkman_new.account. Like, holy shit, it's not giving up. My right hand's getting tired up. I gotta be aware for my safety, too. So whenever I say it's too dangerous, I'll come in, I'll pause the video and go in. This is not scripted, guys, as most of my videos aren't. I'll eventually be changing the name of the YouTube channel, sadly. Oh, fuck. I hope I caught that. I certainly saw in real life. All my guys on Discord know about it. That's the reason why the Turkey Cup race is postponed to tomorrow at 4 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time. It's going to be at the Honda Toronto circuit. It's going to be called the Honda NTCS Toronto. My little brother might record the race from his point of view. Number 13 bar, Gatorade, and fuck, I don't know whatever sponsor. Ford Mustang. And we'll see you then. You'll hear my voice again in that video, commentating the race. We might have to change the cars last minute and put mobile controls in them. So yeah. But this is intense as fuck. There must be at least a tornado advisory from here. At least. This, out of all the storms I've seen, this is the most severe one. And just so happened to happen on my friend Hector's 18th birthday. Happy birthday, man. I know I wished you a happy birthday earlier today. Like at midnight my time. 1 a.m. my time. Midnight for you. But yeah, hope you see this. Hope you see this, Hector. I might be safe. Holy fuck. I was watching YouTube on my PlayStation when I heard the fucking loud ass thunder, so I came up here and looked. This was like 2 minutes before I started recording. So then I go down, I grab this phone that, well, it's basically a camera, and I come up here, I wait for the perfect time, and then click record. But like, holy shit, I hope this makes news. I hope this makes news. There is a tornado. I'm unplugging my PS4, bringing the 45-inch TV down with me into the basement. Holy shit. There will probably be a part 2 to this video. Part 2 is going to be coming as well. As like, holy shit. Well, it leaned off a little bit, but there's still lightning, as you can see. I saw a lightning bolt. I saw like a flash of lightning. That scared the absolute shit out of me. I'm like, holy fuck. I'm like screaming it. Look. My hand. Shaky. My hand is shaky. There might be a tornado. We don't know. This might be a black hole effect. I know tornadoes. I know tornadoes. If there is a tornado, it will be Nova Scotia's 10th confirmed in history. With, ironically, the first ever one, January 30th, 1954. Like, tons of years before I was even born and YouTube was even made. I have roughly 8 kilometers south of where I'm recording from. Roughly 8 kilometers south in White Point, Nova Scotia. Where I am right now is Liverpool, Nova Scotia. It's where I live. And I'm like scared to shit. I'll make sure the TV is on too. So just in case there's an alert ready message, I'll keep on this phone even after I stop recording both part 1 and part 2. But holy shit. Ain't letting off. You can hear it. God, please. Please make sure there's no tornado. I want my family to be safe. I want my cat to come home safe. I don't want her to be found dead. Please, God. I want the best outcome for the situation. I even started crying. I'll show you. I'm like crying. No, camera's dark. It's dark. Started crying because my cat's lost. I just realized that Peppa, my little sweetheart, she's a mother of 12, which died, which are buried down there in her garden. I don't want her to die too. I don't want her to die. But like, holy fuck. You need, make sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. And, I do realize that I'm like scared. I'm practically shitting myself right now. I don't even hear that siren. Not tornado siren because we don't have any around here. Last I checked, there's no sirens in Nova Scotia. There's one to me is in Quebec. There's a couple in Alberta. But mostly we just get notified by Alert Ready, which is Canada's alert office. Spider. I hope he's alright. I swear there's another spider somewhere else. I don't know. I'll name this spider. I'll name this spider Spider-Man. Hope Spider-Man does well. I have Spider-Man, the spider does well. So I'm gonna end it off. I mean, like, holy shit. I'm pretty nice shitting myself. Holy shit. More lightning. If I could go live, I would. I would go live right now. Holy shit. I'm about to end it off. End it off in a little bit. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. And, 10 likes. 10 likes. 10 likes for Peppa to come home safely. You may have seen her in a couple of her videos, like Peppa on Fox, Peppa is the goat, and etc. etc. Jesus Christ. I hope my safety. Any of y'all are in the NTCS Discord, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Yeah, bye.